Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel Rumita's Lifestyle. Guys, today I just want to share a little story about me and my friend Shweta. We know each other since from the last 14-15 years and we are a very good friend. And we both are banker. We used to work together in almost three organizations in TCS, HDFC and HSBC, and we used to live in Mumbai. But in the year 2021 and 22, we moved to one place to another. I got married, so I moved with my husband. My husband is in the transferable job, so I moved to Guwahati to Manipur to Nagaland to Mumbai, Pune, and she moved to Mumbai to Bangalore to Pune. So finally we met here again. So we decided on Valentine's Day that we meet each other. Because of the daily basis schedule, we are not able to meet with family, so we decided that we will meet on a very special day on Valentine's Day, and we will celebrate there in Anamora Mall. So it's very beautiful mall in Pune, so it's very near to her office. So I went there and spent the quality time with her. So I just want to share with you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe and share my video, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.